Did you see it?
I wasn't expecting that. Alright, I thought you were just gonna like leave it on its side or something. Okay, well, I guess they're gonna get destroyed anyway.
Yeah.
Oh, look, there's a potato! Awesome. Wow.
Oh. Look at that.
Hey, that's like 10 French fries right there.
Look at that one. Tiny one.
Oh, nice. Yeah. Oh my god, there's gonna be a few in there, I reckon.
That hurts my knee.
Oh, I know. Oh. You want a little stool? I'll get you a milk crate or something if you want.
Got a few.
Oh my god, look at, do you see that? On the corner?
Yeah.
Oh, they're everywhere.
I
Oh,
know,
they're tiny
there's
ones.
a lot of them.
But they're good.
Look on this side first. Come on this side.
Nice. Can I just dig a hole into the middle?
Yeah, go for it. Go for like
There's a mesh on there, isn't there? Let's see. Whoa, ho, 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 ho.
We've got lots of potatoes.
That's
to
from
share.
one box.
I know. It's amazing.
Oh, yeah. Nice. Alright, we'll have to pause this and then maybe collect all the potatoes and then see
How
what we
much
got
we've
from
Yeah.
one size sort of recycling crate. And we've got another one over there, different variety, so we'll do that next.
Yep. Done.
Okay, and these are the Desiree potatoes grown in a recycling tub. So, let's see how we go. Look at that. One. Oh, I feel another one.
I like the colors of Desiree ones.
They're everywhere in here. Nice size. Cute.
Yeah.
Not huge, but there's lots. Everywhere I stick my fingers, there's more. So I think we're going to get more in this box than we did in the other box, but smaller.
Because there are more plants in that box than the golden ones.
Yeah, okay.